Hi, I'm Chef Belinda, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate ganache. A ganache is a cake icing that is drizzled as opposed to spread on with a knife. Okay, let's get started. In this pan, I have 3/4 cup of heavy cream. We're going to bring this almost to a boil. You never want to boil milk or you have a real big problem on your hands. So we're going to be checking around the edges to make sure that it is nearing the boiling point, and we will know that because it will form little bubbles around the edge. Okay, it's starting to boil, so we're going to turn it off and pour it over our chocolate. Pour it all over our chocolate and then let it sit for about 5 minutes. So now we're just going to continue to whisk our melted chocolate until it becomes smooth. And you see it's thickening up. At first we didn't think it was going to do that, right? Because it just looked like it was had too much cream in it. But you see it becomes thicker, and look at the sheen on it. Shiny, that's what we want. I think it probably takes only about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And then you've got your beautiful ganache. Here I have my single layer chocolate cake. I'm just gonna pour the ganache all over it. You see, I've put the cake on a rack over a sheet pan that's lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So now I'm just gonna take this ganache that's still warm and just drizzle it all over the cake and just let it run off the sides. We can take a spatula and just spread it around. This is a very simple, easy cake. We're not trying to make it look like those that you see in the bakery. And this was so quick to do. If you want to get fancy, I have some toasted almonds. I'm just gonna make a design on the cake with the almonds. And this is just one more cake that you can add to your holiday table that was quick and easy to prepare.